Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's going to be a get ready with me today, and as you saw, it's a festive look. I'm starting by detangling my hair because I'm gonna start with my hair. I'm using the Alan Truman detangler, and I'm doing a middle partition and applying some gel to my roots to tame my little baby hair, and I'm just combing it through using an edge teasing brush. You can see how it instantly snatches everything, and my hair is almost done. I'm gonna pop in a bun just to make my head a little proportionate because I don't have much hair. So the hair is done, onto the makeup. I'm using the elf putty primer on my face. I'm also adding an illuminating primer. All the details of the product would be in the description down below. And time for the brows. I use this brow soap from Swiss Beauty. First comb my brows and then I go in with a brow pencil so that it sticks well, and I'm just simply just mapping out, nothing too crazy. As you can see, I've carved out my brows using the Swiss Beauty concealer, and I'm gonna show you guys how I carve out my brows. I'm going a little heavy here because the eye makeup is gonna be a little heavy and I want the colors to pop. So I'm using a very lighter shade on the lid, and then I'm going in with the Lakme concealer, which is just one shade lighter than my actual skin shade. And I have under eye bags, we need to cover it up. So here goes my orange color corrector from Swiss Beauty. It's a really good color corrector, and I'm just dabbing it, not pulling, just dabbing it. Now I'm going with the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer. This is perfect for my skin tone, and we need to neutralize the orange, so I'm going in with the Photo Focus. I'm be mixing two foundations today. One is my MAC NC30 and then my Maybelline. To get a really dewy skin, I'm mixing it with a little bit of glowy liquid highlighter, and my foundation perfectly matches my neck. That is how it should be. You just have to tap, dab, dab, not pull, so that you don't have the brush streak. And these are the products that I'll be using for the rest of my face. I got it from Purple. I'm using the Lakme concealer to further conceal the darkness, and just simply dabbing it, and you can see the difference. Now for contour, blush and highlight, I'll be using the Auric Beauty palette, and I'm picking up this contour shade and contouring my nose, as you guys can see. And I'm using the lighter powder to just carve out my bridge, and using the contour on my crease as well as a transition shade. Now this is an eye palette from Cuffs and Lashes, and I'm thinking about doing a gold eye look to match my blouse. And for the brow bone, I'm using this silver shimmery metallic shade, as well as in the inner corner, and I love how it pops on my lid thanks to the heavy concealer. Now I've picked up the gold eyeshadow, and I'm simply placing it on my lid. I'm not dragging it, I'm simply packing it on my lid. And once that's done, I'm gonna wing it out a little bit. I've also picked up a darker brownish metallic shade to just line my eyes. I thought that would look really cute and a contrast. Now I'm picking up the blush from the Auric Beauty palette, and this is my favorite blush these days, as well as the contour. It is a very flattering shade for my skin, doesn't look harsh. Now I'm using the Sugar Coal Kajal for my eyes, just to give a really bold wing, and I'm using a deeper brown burgundy shade as a lip liner. This is my staple. I use a deeper lip liner and a really nude lipstick. The lipstick is from N by Bay, and here I go. I'm almost ready, just putting up my jewelry. Time for some flowers, and I'm ready. If you like the video, like, share, comment and subscribe.